Hello, welcome back to my channel, The Muscle Teacher. So, as you know, students, we are with the NCRT series. So, today we are going to start a very important and an interesting chapter, that is the print culture and the modern world. So, this chapter explains how the print culture, how printing helped in the evolution of the human history. Just like today, we are having the influence of social media, we're having the influence of internet. Similarly, how the print culture have an impact on the people back then, we'll have a brief understanding of this chapter. Okay, so let's start with a small introduction. Let's start with a brief detail what all things are there in this chapter. We'll have a small discussion on it, then I will have a discussion on what all things are there. I'll make a two-part video of it. ठीक है, so start करते हैं. ठीक है, जो आज का जो टॉपिक है प्रिंट कल्चर एंड द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. So if I see, I think I'm quite visible, so let me start. So this is the chapter of history. Okay, let's have a discussion. Just give me a moment. Let me see I'm properly focused. The lights are okay or not. Okay, I guess it is quite visible as of now. So let's start. Okay, let me have my book with me if I miss anything by chance. Okay, so let's start. See, when you start the print culture, before printing, okay, before the we can say that discovery or invention, whatever we call it, before the printing, okay, the people they have faced various problems. Okay, क्योंकि पास में तो कुछ चीज़ नहीं है, एक अगर कुछ लिखित में नहीं चाहिए, प्रिंट तो नहीं था उस टाइम. ठीक है, so people were actually facing problem. People faced problem a lot during that point of time, and whichever things were there during that point of time, be it manuscripts, be it any kind of scripts, okay, be it any kind of scripts. See, these scripts were handwritten during that point of time. ठीक है, as it was handwritten, it is obvious that it will be expensive. Yes or no? It will be expensive because it was handwritten. जो लिखित होता है, because we have used our labor, अपना जो है ना, we are using our own labor ना, कष्ट करके लिखते हैं कि नहीं, then it is obvious we are using our own sweat and blood to write something. Okay, and that is why it is a bit expensive. जैसे कि हम लोग एग्जाम्पल हम ले सकते हैं, have you heard of this handicrafts? Yes or no? Handicrafts, these are expensive. These are expensive or not? Obviously these are expensive rather than these ready-made products. Yes or no? You will see the Sambalpuri patta. I often talk about it. The Sambalpuri patta and the ready-made sari that we are having in the market. There is a huge price difference between them. Why? Because it is being made by hand. It is being weaved by the hands. इसलिए थोड़ा सा उसका प्राइस ज़्यादा लगता है उसको. ठीक है, देखो. So you'll see, because the scripts were written by hand, it was expensive. Okay, it was expensive. Yes or no? And apart from it expensive, okay, it uses a lot of labor. It uses ठीक है, lot of labor also, ज़्यादा ही कष्ट होता है क्या लिखने के लिए, ठीक है. then what it was expensive, it uses a lot of labor, yes or no, it uses a lot of labor. And what and see, because of the, we can say the factor of money, because it was expensive, it was only available to elites. elites मतलब क्या? Kings, aristocrats, scholars, monks. It is only available to these people. Am I clear or not? Because it was expensive, it was not the common people, okay? Because it was expensive, it was not accessible by whom? By the common mass, मतलब common people. Am I clear or not? It was not accessible by the common mass. So what is a print culture? What is that? It refers to the production of books, newspaper, pamphlets, magazines. Yes or no? What is that print culture? What is? See, we can term the print culture. Okay, what is the print culture? It refers to the production of newspaper, pamphlets, books, magazine, and how these all things have influenced the thought ideas of people. Am I clear? It is what print culture is. Am I clear or not? It is what print culture is. ठीक है? Okay. Now see. Now we'll have a short discussion. What all things that this chapter consist of. ठीक है? थोड़ा मोड़ा उसके ऊपर थोड़ा एक brief introduction दे देंगे. ठीक है? And उसके बाद I'll be starting the chapter in one go. ठीक है? I'll have a 2 part. Make sure, okay? I'll have a 2 part of this chapter. Okay. Now see. If we see about the if we talk about this invention of printing, if we talk about the invention of printing, okay, it was a turning point. It was a turning point of whom? It was a turning point of the world. How human have evolved, how their ideas have evolved, okay, how their thought process have evolved because of the knowledge that they get from this text. Okay? See, in this invention of this printing, okay, we will see how the first printed book of China, that is what? Accordion book, Chinese accordion book. Okay, yes or no? Chinese accordion book. Okay, we'll see how there was a wood block technology was used in order to print. We'll talk about this also. We'll also talk about how the first Japanese book, that is what, Buddhist Diamond Sutra. Okay, we'll talk about the Buddhist Diamond Sutra as well. We'll talk about Marco Polo. We'll talk about Marco Polo, how his revolutionary ideas have brought out a shape in the minds of the people to question, to debate, to argue with the rituals and practices that goes in the society. Yes or no? We'll talk about Gutenberg, okay, and his invention, an invention of his mechanical printing press. We'll talk about the invention of his mechanical printing press. Am I clear or not? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं सबको? Okay. So let's start the chapter. Okay. Let's start the chapter with the topic. Let's start the chapter with the topic of print culture. Okay. Let's start the chapter with the topic with the print culture. ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं. ठीक है. So we'll start from print culture. In China. Okay, we'll start from the print culture in China. Okay, let me see, is it properly visible or not? Just take a moment. Let me see it is visible or not. Okay, it is visible. Okay, it is visible. So see, okay, see, the earliest kind of print was seen at China, Japan and Korea. Okay, if we talk about the print, we have seen the earliest evidences of these print was from China, Japan and Korea. ठीक है, the earliest kind of print technology. Okay, it is developed in the areas of China, Japan and Korea. Am I clear? Yes or no? See, we also have seen that they followed the technology of what? Of hand printing. They followed the technology of hand printing, as well as which was established with wood block technology. ठीक है, which was established with wood block technology. देखो, तो ये क्या था? जैसे मान लेते हैं, okay, they used to have some ink, okay, and the wood, okay, the wood they are having, they used to have some of the patterns on those woods, okay, they used to have some patterns on those woods. For an example, those who have visited a place nowadays, you will see they used to have some ऐसे करके पतले से कुछ यू नो आयरन के कुछ शेप्स होते हैं, ठीक है, ऐसे सिलिंड्रिकल शेप्स होते हैं, उसके ऊपर यहाँ पर कुछ सपोज डी ऐसे एक डिजाइन ऐसे होता है डी का, ठीक है, दे यूज्ड टू पुट इट इन लेटर वाइज, सो व्हेन यू प्रेस इट, बिकॉज यू विल बी ड्रॉपिंग इन, व्हेन यू प्रेस इट यू विल बी हैविंग अ डी, ओके, यू विल बी हैविंग ई, यू विल बी हैविंग वी, okay, in this way they used to do, but that during that point of time, because there was no mechanization of this printing technology, they used to do with the help of hands. ठीक है, क्या करते थे, एक सपोज वुड के ऊपर, यहाँ पर सपोज वुड के ऊपर इंक लगा देंगे एंड इस वुड में क्या होगा, एक पैटर्न होगा. दे विल पुट द दे विल पुट व्हाट दैट इंक ऑन दिस which is having a pattern and they'll put it on the paper. So you will see it will having a letter on that or any design on it. Yes or no? समझ में आया कि नहीं? And that is why there is the help of hand. ठीक है, it was explained with the hand printing. We call it as what? Hand printing as well as wood block technology. It uses wood block technology because in that piece of wood you will be having some of the designs over here which will be having some ink, then we'll put it on the paper. Am I clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, now see, you will see one more thing, the books, okay, you will see the books during that point of time in China was printed with the help of this, okay. The books in China was also printed with the help of this technology. ठीक है, with the help of this wood block technology. Am I clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? Okay, one more thing you'll see. Let me have another color. Okay. See, by the time of 594 AD, color change नहीं हुआ? What is this? Okay. By the time of 594 AD, okay, you will see in China what happened. They used to print those paper, okay, those paper with the help of this wood block technology. ठीक है, तो वो क्या करते थे, ठीक है, क्या करते थे वो लोग? They used to fold the paper. They used to fold the paper in the middle and stitch it from one side. ठीक है, they used to fold the paper, okay, they used to fold the paper in the middle, ऐसे करते थे वो लोग, ठीक है, and they used to stitch it here. ठीक है, कुछ इस तरीके का दिखता था वो. I don't know how I will make it. ठीक है, ऐसे करके यहाँ पर उसको स्टिच करते थे. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू राइट दिस एंड दिस विल बी राइटिंग हियर. Am I clear or not? ऐसे करके बुक होता था, ऐसे फोल्ड होता, बीच में से फोल्ड किया जाता था. ठीक है, am I clear or not? ऐसे करके फोल्ड, यहाँ पर उसको सीलते थे. ठीक है, they used to stitch it in the middle. ठीक है, in the one side they used to stitch it. Am I clear? Clear or not? And see, this kind of book is also called as what? Chinese accordion book. And this kind of book was also called as what? Chinese accordion book. And this kind of book is also called as what? Chinese accordion book. Am I clear or not? समझ में आया कि नहीं? ठीक है. Now see, after some period of time, okay, China became the major producer of paper. Okay, China became the major producer of this, okay, paper. China was what? Major producer. China was the major producer of those paper, okay, of the printed material. ठीक है, China was once upon a time, in that point of time also it became a major producer of those printed material. क्यों? Any reason why there was a great demand? Because what happened during that point of time, okay, because during that point of time China started its civil services exam, okay, and because of this civil services exam, okay, there was a great demand of books, Okay, there was a great demand of books which were meant to be read by the students, meant by the aspirants during that point of time. समझ में आया कि नहीं? Are you clear or not? क्योंकि उस टाइम क्या हुआ, चाइना में अचानक से बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड बढ़ने लगी. क्यों बढ़ रहा था? बिकॉज चाइना हैज ऑलरेडी इंट्रोड्यूस द सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू स्टडी दोज बुक देयर वाज अ ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ दिस बुक्स. ठीक है, ये तो बुक्स तो ये तो मांग ही रहे थे. ठीक है, चाइनीज सिविल सर्विसेज पीपल दे यूज्ड टू हैव दिस बुक्स. Along with that also the merchants also used, okay, the merchant also use this print, okay, also use this print in order to collect the trade information, in order to collect the trade information. ठीक है, in order to collect the trade information. Am I clear or not? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Clear? Okay. Now see what happened, what we have learned from this. ठीक है, क्या हुआ देखो, जो अर्लीस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्रिंटेड टेक्नोलॉजी वो कहाँ से था? चाइना से था. फिर उसके बाद जापान आया, फिर उसके बाद कोरिया का बारी आया था. ठीक है, एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दैट चाइना क्या हुआ था कि चाइना ड्यूरिंग दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यूजेस व्हाट द हैंड प्रिंटिंग मेथड विद द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ वुड ब्लॉक प्रिंटिंग. ठीक है, वुड के पीछे एक पैटर्न होगा, कोई लेटर्स होगा, कोई अल्फाबेट्स का कुछ भी होगा, एंड दे यूज्ड टू पुट द इंक ओवर हियर, एंड दे यूज्ड टू विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ हैंड दे यूज्ड टू dot it out so that they will be given a pattern or a name or anything, or the book printed. Okay, and all of a sudden we also know that, and this printed material with the form of a book was also being the first printed book was from the China, which is also called as what? Chinese accordion book. Apart from this also, China was the major producer of printed material. क्यों? Because China have introduced their civil services examination during that point of time also, and because of this, students used to demand a greater number of books for their studies, and that is why they used to print a lot many of books. Along with the students, along with the aspirants also, you will see the officials, you will see the merchants also use this print culture. क्यों? Because the merchants used to collect the trade information for their work, for their trade. Am I clear or not? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, now see you'll see now because of this print culture, you will see reading it became a very leisure activity. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, now see, and because of this you will see what happened. Because of the excessive print material during that point of time, now reading it was a leisure activity. ठीक है, रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी, थोड़ा आराम से पढ़ने के लिए. जैसे लोग we used to read novels, we used to have the story books. Exactly, during that point of time it was also meant for a leisure activity. उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा leisure activity में बुक्स धीरे धीरे यूज होने लगे. और क्या था, during that point of time also you will see women's ठीक है, women they used to write, they started writing what? New poetries. They used to write new poetries, new plays. ठीक है, poetries and plays are also being written by the women during that point of time. Who are these women? The rich class people, the rich class women. They used to write poems and plays also. Am I clear or not? Now by the late, and after this, by the late 19th century, and after this by the late 19th century, you will see, by the late 19th century, you will see there was a westernization, Western tech. Okay, it has also came over there in China. The Western tech also came over in China, which actually called as what? Which actually mechanized. Which actually mechanized what? Mechanized the print technology, which has mechanized the print technology. समझ में आया कि नहीं? अब देखो, now if we talk about the print in Japan, if we talk about the print in Japan, we'll see the Buddhist monk who were there in China, okay, who were there in China, they returned to Japan. They returned to Japan. Okay, the Buddhist monk, who? The Buddhist monk. Okay, the Buddhist monk who were there in China, they returned back. Okay, they returned back in the either at the time of 768 AD. By the time of 768 AD. Okay, by the time of 768 AD, and they also shared that they used to have this print technology over there in China. So we must write, or you must print something, and that is where they have printed the first Japanese. They printed the first Japanese book. That is what? Buddhist Diamond Sutra. Okay, they have printed the Buddhist Diamond Sutra, which was actually a sheet book. 6 पेजेस थे उस बुक में, ठीक है, एंड सम इलस्ट्रेशंस, कुछ थोड़ा बड़ा कुछ पिक्चर्स थे उसमें, ठीक है. 6 पेज का वो बुक था. तो पहला बुक, जापानीज बुक, व्हाट इज दैट? बुद्धिस्ट डायमंड सूत्र, ठीक है. Buddhist Diamond Sutra, the first Japanese book, which was actually a 6-page book, also having some of the illustrations. Am I clear? Clear or not? ठीक है. Now see, during that time also you will see, by the time of this late 19th century, you will see, during time of this late 19th century, you will observe that, okay, there were collections of illustrations. Collections, okay, which actually depicted what? Depicted urban culture, okay. There are books, okay, full of illustrations, okay. There are books which actually depicts by the pictures, by the illustrations about the urban culture during that point of time, okay. Apart from that also there are different books. There were different books. It has also been said there were different books on women. There are different books on women also have been seen. Also, apart from women, also musical instruments. Books on musical instruments were also been seen during that point of time. Okay, where we used to see this, the books on women and this musical instruments, in those libraries during that point of time, in those bookstores, okay, in those bookstores also, okay, libraries and bookstores. Are we clear or not? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Clear? ठीक है. Okay, now we'll start with print in Europe. Okay, print in Europe. Just give me a moment, let me focus it. I guess it lost the focus. Yes, now it focused. Okay, now see. Now you will see this Europe, okay, the print, how it went over there to Europe through Silk Route, through Silk Route. You will see Silk Route was was a main route which connecting this Africas, this Europe and Asia. You will see, okay, and see this was a route where we used to go for trade for spices and other commodities as well, okay. And this through this route, the print culture, the people, they also traveled. You'll see, okay, there used to be a person named what? Named Marco Polo, okay. There used to be a person named what? Named Marco Polo, who is what? Who is a great explorer. Okay. When he returned back to Italy, okay, he shared what? He shared the knowledge of what? Print, and spread it over there okay. He shared the knowledge of print and spread it over there. When he returned back to Italy, Marco Polo, he was a great explorer, okay. When he got the knowledge of woodblock over there, okay, he got the knowledge of print मतलब कौन सा print? The knowledge of woodblock printing, okay, knowledge of woodblock, okay, and started to spread it over there in Italy, okay. After that what happened? You will see during that point of time, okay, during that point of time what happened? Because the paper is being used in a large abundantly, is in a large quantity also. You will see students, you will see merchants and other common people, okay, they used to use this printed material, okay, commonly. But you will see the elite class people, they were not using this same material. They were not using this same material. Why? Because they used to have what? Vellum. They used to use this vellum. What is this vellum? Vellum is the animal skin. Vellum is what? Vellum is the animal skin, which are actually being used by the elite class people, rich aristocrats, because they can afford this, and on those skins they will be printed some of the things, okay. They are not using these papers or this normal printed material. वो नहीं, हम लोग उसको नहीं use करेंगे. They used to this what? They use this vellum. Am I clear or not? Okay. And see now you'll see, because it is being available abundantly, these papers are being used abundantly. You will see that technology has been used in Italy also. You will see now what? Previously they used to have what? Scribes, calligraphers, they used to have these scribes or calligraphers. Now they don't. They are now these scribes and these calligraphers which were being used by the elite class people, okay. These scribes and these calligraphers which are being used by the elite class people, because they used to get more money. But now, because of the availability of this paper, with this cheap paper, now they are being hired by the booksellers. Okay, who is to write books for them, who is to write books for them. Am I clear? Am I clear or not? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Okay, now see अब देखो क्या हुआ. Now धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, जब लोगों को बुक से मजा आने लगा, people started to learn, people started to read. Okay, there was a great demand of book, there was a great demand of book, and because of this great demand of book, you will see there was a great demand of book, and this great demand of book was not being satisfied by those handwriters, by those scribes, by those book sellers. वो कितना लोगों को रखेंगे बुक, एक बुक को लिखने के लिए कितना लोगों को रखेंगे वहां पर उसको प्रिंट करने के लिए एक वर्ड्स को. बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड हो रहा था, इस चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा ये हार्ड हो रहा था. एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू विल सी व्हाट हैपेंड. देयर वाज अ ग्रेट डिमांड ऑफ बुक which was not satisfied by those scribes or the booksellers during that point of time. This was not satisfied during that point of time. Yes or no? Yes or no? And also during that point of time, this woodblock printing was also being used for textiles, for playing cards, for books, etc. Am I clear or not? This woodblock printing, they used to use this wood for कपड़े को थोड़ा रंग बिरंगी करने के लिए, वहाँ पर कुछ पैटर्न्स दे देंगे, कुछ पिक्चर्स दे देंगे, उसके लिए प्लेइंग कार्ड्स के ताश की पत्ती के लिए, ठीक है, बुक्स लिखने के लिए. यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्चर्स, ठीक है, रिलीजियस बेसिस पे कुछ पेंट करने के लिए, कुछ पेंटिंग्स, कुछ writings के लिए they are also being used. Woodblock printing is also being used. You will see because of this problem, because there was a great demand and they could not satisfy it. Because of this problem, you will see Johannes Gutenberg in the year 1430s introduced what? Printing press. First printing press. Introduce what? First printing press. Am I clear or not? Yes or no? Okay. ठीक है, in the year of 1430s, Johannes Gutenberg, introduced the printing press. ठीक है? Okay. Gutenberg and printing press. We'll have a talk on Gutenberg and printing press. ठीक है? Okay. Now see, Gutenberg, he was a son of a merchant. Okay, he was a son of a merchant. Okay, he lived in an agricultural estate. Okay, he was also a goldsmith, and because he was a goldsmith, he was having the knowledge of making molds. ढांचा होता है ना, ढांचा जिसके ऊपर कुछ रखकर हम उसका पैटर्न बनाते हैं. He was having this knowledge. Okay, he have seen what? The technology of olive press. अरे olive press पता है ना, ऑलिव ऑयल को निकालने के लिए ऐसे डाला था ऑलिव को, फिर उसको घुमाया जाता है, ठीक है, मैकेनिकली घुमाया तो वहां से ऑयल आता है. यू ऑल्सो हैव दिस ग्रेप्स वाइन बनाने के लिए. यस और नो, दैट इज व्हाट दे आर आल्सो हैविंग दिस, हैव द नॉलेज ऑफ दिस ऑलिव प्रेस. यस और नो, एंड दिस प्रेसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी एंड द यूजेस ऑफ दिस प्रेसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, प्रेस करके उसको निकालना सब चीज, ठीक है. एंड ही यूज दिस in his printing technology. He used this pressing technology in that printing, in that print also. ठीक है, am I clear or not? Am I clear or not? Okay, now see, you will see with the help of this thing, he have introduced that printing press, and the first book which was printed was what? Was Bible, was the Holy Bible. ठीक है, it has been printed by John Gutenberg, the first printing press. It printed what? The Bible. Yes or no? You will see the mechanization of this printing started a new era of print revolution. You will see because of this, mechanization of printing press, mechanization of printing press, it started a new era of print revolution. It started a new era of print revolution. It started a new era of print revolution. Okay, what is that print revolution? Okay, what is that print revolution? Say. Okay, see, let me talk about it. Okay, what was that print revolution? Let me talk about it. Print revolution and its impact, ठीक है, print revolution and its impact. Let us discuss about it. Yes or no? See, now new reading public emerged. Yes or no? Because प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी जब डेवलप हुआ तो ज़्यादा बुक्स प्रिंट होने लगे, लोगों के पास बुक पहुंचने लगा, लोग बुक को पढ़ भी पाए, ठीक है. बिकॉज एंड बुक वॉज ऑल्सो चीप अपार्ट फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस टाइम, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम हाथ में लिखा था इसलिए ज़्यादा उसका कॉस्ट हुआ करता था. अभी प्रिंट मशीन से हो रहा है, दैट मीन्स द बुक इज वेरी लेस प्राइस, बुक इज ऑफ वेरी लेस प्राइस, एंड दैट इज वाई देयर आर न्यू रीडिंग पब्लिक ऑल्सो इमर्ज. पढ़ पा रहे हैं लोग, लोगों के पास बुक पहुंच रहा है. यस और नो? यस और नो? See, cost of book, जो मैंने बोला, cost of book was less now, time taken less now, demand fulfilled. Yes or no? Yes, demand also fulfilled. समझ में आया कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? ठीक है, and because it was cheap now, it was a less price, it was accessible to all, ठीक है, accessible to common people also, to common, not only elites, ठीक है, accessible to common mass also, it is not only to elites also. Yes or no? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Yes or no? And see, and because of this, the public which used to be a hearing public, was now termed as what? A reading public. But there was a problem during this point of time. क्या था problem? हम लोगों ने तो बुक पहुंचा दिया, लेकिन you will see max of Europe population during that point of time were illiterates. Okay, उनको पढ़ना लिखना आता ही नहीं था, ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था उस टाइम, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट, इसको टैकल करने के लिए लोग क्या किए, ठीक है, क्योंकि वो तो पढ़ तो नहीं पा रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. क्या किए? दे इन्वेंटेड अ वे so that everyone can get what is there in this book. What is that? Illustrations and pictures, ठीक है, through illustration and pictures. Yes or no? Yes or no? Through song, they used to sing, okay, or narrate. They sing or narrate in the areas of villages and towns. ठीक है, मान लेते हैं यहाँ पर कोई बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हैं ना, तो आई एम नाउ स्पीकिंग नाउ एग्जैक्टली द सेम वे आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ बुक, ओके, मैं बुक को बोलूंगा ओरली एंड वो लोग सब सुन लेंगे, ठीक है। इस तरह से जो इलिटरेट भी उनको भी समझ में आ जाएगा, एंड उनको पिक्चर भी दिखा सकते, देखो ऐसा ऐसा चल का जा, दैट मींस ही इज वॉकिंग, और पानी में तैरा, दैट मींस ही इज स्विमिंग, यस और नो। सो यू यूज्ड टू यूज दोस इलस्ट्रेशन, दोस पिक्चर्स आल्सो इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड। एम आई क्लियर? ठीक है। उसके बाद क्या था, यू नो you will see, because of this availability of the books to everyone, there were some of the religious debates as well. There are some of the religious debates, and some of them also had some fear also, yes or no? Fear of what? Fear of print. Fear of what? Fear of print. ठीक है, तो क्या था, क्यों लोग डर रहे थे, लोग डरेंगे कौन? देखो क्या हुआ उस टाइम, ये जो राइटिंग्स था, ठीक है, द प्रिंट, इट यूज्ड टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस अमंग द पीपल। इन लोगों के दिमाग में थोड़ा लोगों को सोचने में मजबूर कर दिया। कुछ प्रैक्टिसेस थे जो कि सोसाइटी में उस टाइम चल रहे थे, जिनको उसमें क्वेश्चन किया गया है, एंड वो व्हेन द पीपल स्टार्टेड टू रीड दोस थिंग्स, दे यूज्ड टू आर्ग्यू, दे यूज्ड टू डिबेट, दे यूज्ड टू डिस्कस कि सोसाइटी में सब चल रहा है, एंड वी आर आल्सो डूइंग इट, वी आर आल्सो फॉलोइंग दोस काइंड ऑफ रिचुअल्स व्हिच आर नॉट मेंट टू बी फॉलोड। ठीक है, लोग उसमें क्वेश्चन करने लगे, ठीक है, एंड दिस ऑब्वियसली दिस विल बी फियर्ड बाय द अपर क्लास पीपल हु वर देयर, हु वर एक्चुअली कंट्रोलिंग द सोसाइटी ड्यूरिंग दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। ठीक है, उस टाइम पे चर्च जो वहां पर होता था, उसको कंट्रोल करता था उस एरिया में, उनको क्वेश्चन आने लगा, दे यूज्ड टू क्वेश्चन दोस थिंग्स, यस और नो? लोग उनको क्वेश्चन करने लगे कि ये सब रिचुअल्स हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये सब प्रैक्टिसेस हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एंड वी शुडंट बी डूइंग इट। सो दैट्स द फियर दे वर हैविंग ड्यूरिंग दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। एम आई क्लियर और नॉट? समझ में आया कि नहीं आ रहा है? यस और नो? जैसे कि बोला, ठीक है, दिस प्रिंट कल्चर, ओके, इट इनकॉर्पोरेटेड आइडियाज, thoughts among people, okay, and gave them the idea of, and gave the right of questioning, debates, discussions, yes or no? They gave them this idea to discuss करेंगे, बात करेंगे कि नहीं ये सब हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे थे, yes or no? And that was being done during that point of time, yes or no? And there was a fear of the people also. There was a fear of the people. क्या लोग क्या डर रहे थे कि देखो, लोग ये डर रहे थे, जो लोग उस टाइम कंट्रोल कर रहे थे उस टाइम सोसाइटी को, ठीक है, they were having fear कि देखो जितने भी बुक्स लिखे जा रहे हैं, they do not have control on what the things will be printed, okay, do not have control on what are being printed, yes or no? Yes or no? And second क्या था, second डर क्या था, second डर ये भी था कि शायद कोई irreligious टेक्स्ट आ जाए, शायद कोई rebellious टेक्स्ट आ जाए जिससे लोग एक्साइटेड हो जाएं, ठीक है, नहीं हम लोग को मारेंगे, हम लोग को मार कर हम करेंगे ये सब, हम ये करेंगे, कोई कुछ गलत इंफॉर्मेशन रिलीजन के बेसिस में वो चला जाए, ठीक है, वो इससे भी लोग डरते थे, ठीक है। कुछ जैसे कि मैं बोला, रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च के ऊपर क्वेश्चन आने लगे ऑन देयर प्रैक्टिसेस, ऑन देयर रिचुअल्स, यस और नो? ऑन देयर रिचुअल्स क्वेश्चन करने लगे लोग, ठीक है। ड्यूरिंग दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम क्या हुआ, ओके, in 1517 Martin Luther, during that point of time, Martin Luther, okay, he wrote 95 theses, okay, he wrote 95 theses on the rituals and practices which are being followed in that point of the society, okay, on rituals and practices which are being followed during that point of time. He questioned them. Okay, he questioned the Roman Catholic Church. Okay, he questioned the Roman Catholic Church. And पता है उसने क्या किया? उसने ऊपर वो 95 थीसिस का पेपर उस चर्च के सामने गेट में भी लगा दिया था उसने, ठीक है, so that people can read it, so that people can question it. Am I clear or not? ये भी उस टाइम हो रहा था, ठीक है, समझ में आया कि नहीं? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? You know, this thesis, or you can say this print, it have created awareness, ठीक है, among people, ठीक है, कि लोगों को समझ में आने लगा कि हाँ हम लोग कुछ गलत शायद कर रहे थे, हम लोग सबको ये करना नहीं चाहिए था. एंड दैट इज व्हाई पीपल स्टार्टेड क्वेश्चनिंग, पीपल स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग, यू नो. एंड मार्टिन लूथर आल्सो सेड दैट दिस प्रिंट कल्चर इज द अल्टीमेट गिफ्ट फ्रॉम गॉड. मार्टिन लूथर आल्सो सेड दैट दिस प्रिंट कल्चर इज द अल्टीमेट गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड आल्सो, ठीक है.